So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a header here inside of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up a Word document. Once that is done, go to the top left and press on Insert. Then once you're on the Insert tab, simply just go all the way to the right here to where it says header, footer, page number, etc. Where it says header, simply press on the drop down here. What you can actually do now is create a header of your choice. So if you want to go ahead here and select this header right here, for instance, this one right here, just like that, what you can do is press on that, and now you can change the header of your document. So I'll just go ahead here and change it to header, just like that. And right below it, you can go ahead and type whatever you want. So this is my document, and your header will stay the exact same. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to create or how to add a header here inside of a Microsoft Word document. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.